Charam! Oh my God, guys, it's so amazing here at the Beaches Conference Hall. Tulang ko sa mga relote. Dito po i-held ang 100-year celebration ng aming Yaya Lalia. Tingnan nyo, guys. Super amazing, guys. Oh my God. Look at it. Eulalia at 100. Ito ang kanyang chairs. Mag-video muna ako, guys, kasi waiting pa. Tingnan niyo mga tables. Look at the venue, guys. It's super nice, amazing, just like the centennial celebration today. So amazing. It's an amazing grace by God, right? Naka-red tayo ngayon, guys, para fit sa celebration. Wow! Ako pa ang tao. Tingnan nyo. Hapon tayo ba lechon baka? Naam daw lechon baka?
Aron na ito daw niya daan lang na sa
Nice kayo, no? Tingnan nyo, guys. Happy 100th birthday, Mama Laling. February 12, 2025. See? Ito ang aming Yaya Lalia. Amazing. Wow. Tutur ko muna kayo, guys, ha, sa venue. Kat! Outfit natin ngayon. I-update ko muna kayo later na lang, guys, ha. Later update. Bye-bye muna.